All right, then, welcome back. Then the big breaking news up for you on the screen. In fact, we learned that Birla Corp is now going to go ahead and buy Reliance Cement's business enterprise value of around 4,800 rupees. We're currently joined by the chairman of Birla Corp, Mr. Lodha. Hi, Mr. Lodha. Thanks so much for joining in. First things first, 4,800 crores for around a 5 million ton 5 million ton plant. How exactly are you going to fund this? What exactly is the breakup of the debt as well as the equity portion?
Basically, I think the company comes with a debt portion of about 2,500 crores. The exact figure will be there on the closure date, and the balance will be funded by way of equity. So that will be around 23 to 2,400 crores, depending on what the final figures are on the closure date.
All right. So just to get an idea in terms of reach, I think you're roughly around a 10 million ton plant already. Now your capacity goes up with by nearly around 50% approximately. So what exactly is your reach currently? Geographically, can you break it up for us after acquiring Reliance Cement?
Reliance, basically the major capacity of Reliance is in Madhya Pradesh, which is our existing market also.
Right.
Their major plant is in Maihar, and they have two grinding units currently operating. One is in Uttar Pradesh and one in Maharashtra. So in total, the current capacity installed is around 5.5 million tons. And so, I mean, we will take it up over a period of time because there are a lot of mineral concessions within the company which we can exploit in the course of time.
All right. Mr. Lodha, there was a lot of talk that maybe all M&A activity in the cement space could come to a standstill because of what we've been seeing in terms of the amendment of the MMDR bill. Now that we've bought the total entity, what's your understanding? The mines automatically get shifted to Birla Corp's books?
No, I'm not an expert on law, but my understanding on this is that subject to approvals of the various state governments, the mines will get, the takeover of a company, there is no issue under the current act also.
All right, so you believe that it'll sail through smoothly. What exactly then, Mr. Lodha, is the plan going ahead? Now you'll be at around 15 million tons. In the past year or so, your Birla Corp's name has cropped up in terms of Lafarge, then it cropped up in terms of the JP Group, and now finally your successful Reliance Cement. Going ahead, what exactly is the plan for Birla Corp going ahead?
Basically to expand in our geographic areas. And also in the case of Reliance, it gives us an opportunity to expand our footprint in areas other than where we were operating. So it almost, if we can exploit it properly, we can almost have a pan-India presence with Reliance. All
right, so your targeted capacity in the next 2 or 3 years, what's the horizon going to be? What's the targeted capacity?
Let us consolidate it at 15 million just now, and then obviously the next benchmark would be 20 million.
All right, and currently, will you be focusing on one final question, Mr. Lodha? Are you going to be focusing on organic or, in fact, inorganic growth going ahead?
Both. If opportunities come, inorganic also, and there will be an organic plan as well.
All right.
A mix of both.
Okay, Mr. Lodha, it's a pleasure talking to you. Thanks so much for joining in. So then, in fact, we do have Mr. Lodha sounding confident. He says there's not going to be any much problem in terms of the deal. He wants to go ahead and expand in the time going ahead. Currently, in fact, the capacity goes from around 10 million tons to around 15.5 million tons, a good increase of around 55%.